Namaskar, welcome to Swad Global Foods channel. Hello viewers, today we are making banana bread. There are different ways and methods to make banana bread. If you try this method, you can make moist and delicious banana bread at home. For this recipe, we will need 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup wheat flour, 3 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup brown sugar, salt to taste, half teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, half cup salted butter, half teaspoon nutmeg powder, 1/3 cup plain yogurt, half teaspoon cinnamon, walnuts and raisins. Mix all the dry ingredients together. In a separate bowl, mix butter and brown sugar together. Using a hand mixer, we will mix brown sugar and butter for 2 to 3 minutes on high speed until it is smooth and creamy. Our mixture is smooth. Now let's add an egg and beat it well together. Now we will add the second egg and repeat the same process. We will add yogurt to the egg mixture and continue blending for a few more minutes. Our other mixtures are ready. Now let's peel the bananas and mash them. Now we will add mashed bananas and mix again. We will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add the flour mixture and mix it well. We will add raisins and walnuts for additional flavor. We will mix it for a few more minutes. Grease the pan and place parchment paper at the bottom. We will transfer the mixture into the pan. Glaze the banana bread with walnuts. Our banana bread mixture is ready. We will place it in the preheated oven at 355 Fahrenheit and let it bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the banana bread from oven and cover it with aluminum foil. Aluminum foil helps to keep the bread from turning dark brown and keeps it moist. Let's put the bread back in oven for another 25 minutes. Remove the banana bread from the oven and place it on the cooling rack for 10 minutes. Banana bread looks so delicious, can't wait to eat. Enjoy this fresh banana bread with a cup of tea or coffee. If you like this dish, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.